Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making method that's going to pay you out every single day 10%, and I'm going to show you how you can get started doing this for free in today's video. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end, and today's comment winner is going to be phone farming. I see your Bitcoin address right here, and I'm about to send you over some free cryptocurrency. Thank you for being a part of this YouTube community, and if you want to get a chance to get some free crypto from me, make sure to leave your Bitcoin address down below, and on top of that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It will help me out with the algorithm of YouTube so we can get this video to be shown to more people. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Make sure to comment down below your Bitcoin address, and now let's get started with this video. So to get started with this method, guys, I want to be showing you this website right here. This is going to be the only working one that I can find at the moment that is free, that is going to pay you out every single minute. So this is going to be with Tron, guys. So this whole method is going to be around Tron or Tezos, I believe, and I'm going to be showing you the reason why in this video. So the first step is getting some free Tron. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video to this link right here, so you can get started getting some free Tron. And in order to get the Tron automatically out of this website, you're going to need a website called Express Crypto. Now I'm going to show you something really interesting inside of Express Crypto that maybe not a lot of people even know, so keep watching this video, guys. So Express Crypto is a micro wallet that accepts small percentages or small portions of cryptocurrency, and the only reason that we're going to be using Express Crypto is for this unique user ID right here, guys. So just copy that once you actually make an account with the link down in the description of this video. Click right here where it says copy, and you're gonna go back to this website right here. So I just refreshed the page. So now let's go over here where it says Express Crypto, or you can even do Faucet Pay. Now you will get shown some ads sometimes, so just go backspace once or twice so you can get sent back to this website. And then once we do that, guys, you have, I think there's two options. You either have Faucet Pay or Express Crypto. For this method, I would highly recommend you guys using Express Crypto for something that I'm about to show you in a minute. So just put in your Express Crypto user ID right there. So once you have done that, then you're gonna just come down here, click on I am not a robot, fill in the CAPTCHA really quick, and then once you're done with the CAPTCHA, all you're gonna have to do is just click on the blue button right here that says next. Once you do that, guys, it's gonna ask you to fill out another CAPTCHA, so let's do that really quick. So once we have done this, click on claim, and it should refresh the page to something just like this, guys. Now you just have to wait these 68 seconds and you are done. So you're gonna start to accumulate some free Tron inside of Express Crypto almost automatically, guys. So now let me show you that this is working right here. So let's go to Express Crypto. Let's refresh the page really quick, and you might be able to see my Tron just grow every minute or every 3 minutes, because this does take 3 rotations. So it is so crazy how much Tron you can actually earn from this, and I'm about to show you something, guys, so keep watching this video. So let's go right here where it says your recent income in the last 24 hours. So let's come down here. You can see right here, guys, Tron right there. Tron. How insane is that, guys? For doing a free method, I'm just gonna start to accumulate a lot of Tron inside of this wallet, and I don't have that much right here because I'm recently doing this method right now as we speak. And now let's move on to that part. So let's say you've grown around 10 Tron or 12 Tron, 20 Tron, however much you can imagine. Let's say we grew that, guys. Now there is different methods that you can actually use to get Tron quicker. It doesn't only have to be Tron. So let's go over here to this website right here, or let's go to my link tree. So if you go to my link tree, you can just click on all of these buttons right here and then start to put them all in your Express Crypto wallet, guys. So let's say you got a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of Doge, Ethereum, Digibyte, Bitcoin Cash, Bytecoin, right? So now let's exchange all of that. Let's go to the exchange right here. You're going to need at least 500 Bitcoin Satoshis in order to exchange it to Tron. So TRX is going to be Tron's symbol right here in this right hand corner. So I think it's TRX right there. So now we're going to come over here and do Bitcoin. So let's do BTC and let's put in an amount. So it's going to give us how much we have inside of our wallet. Just click on that button, that green one. We're going to need at least 500. So I have 529. We're going to get almost 2 Tron right there, guys. And a cool way you can actually do this and get a lot more Bitcoin or Tron is doing this method right here. Watch. So let's go back to the dashboard real quick. This is going to help us out a lot in the long run, but not at the beginning. So you're starting off with level 1 to 10, possibly 20, maybe even 30 or 40. Now, a cool way to get this up quicker, this level, so we can get more Tron, and I'm about to show you that method, guys. Keep watching. I know it's taking me a while, but I'm trying to show you everything right here. So look, it says receive 1 ECP every lottery ticket bought, 1 ECP for every bet and dice greater than or equal to 10. So it says 1 ECP for every bingo game, 3 ECP for every claim, 5 ECP per PTC, 50 ECP per offer wall. Now, I found out a really easy way to do this, and passively is coming over here to the games, going over here to Royal Dice Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Doge, and then coming down here, going on activate autoplay, and then doing the 10 right here, guys. So let's do 16. So now let's click on roll. So every time it rolls over 10, which is going to be every single time it rolls, we're going to be getting 1 ECP added to our actual our dashboard, our levels. So the higher the level, the more Tron we can make every single day on top of the 10% or 9%, guys. Sorry about that. On top of the 9% that we're going to be getting as a base percentage. Now, I just told you the method right here, guys. So we're going to level up this to get more Tron. Let's go over here real quick. Let's go to the staking. Watch this. Look at this. We're Tron and there's Tezos. So you have 2 options right here to stake. Look at this first one. Tron. Yearly reward rates. Base rate 9%. Level and express crypto bonus 0.03%. Amount bonus 0.000%. So the more Tron you have right now just holding, the more you can actually earn in the amount bonus. Now look at the level. The higher the level, the more Tron you can get. Now we're going to start off at a 9% base rate every single day. So let's say I have 300 Tron, 200 Tron. Let's say I have 200. Look at this. Every day we're going to get 0.049 Tron. Every week we're going to get 0.3 Tron. Every month we'll get 1.5 Tron. Every year we'll get 18 Tron. So let's say our goal is to get at least 5,000 Tron in order to get 1 Tron a day. Now the exact number I think is 4,800 possibly. So let's try that out real quick. So almost around 4,800 or 4,700. Let's try to work our way up to this number, 4,700, possibly even 500, guys. So let's look for a number that we can get 1 Tron every single day. So if we just get our core number, which is 4,500 Tron, let's work our way up to that. So look what I'm starting off with, 130 that I just had sit in my accounts doing nothing, guys. So I just decided to just stake it for a couple of days, and you can see it right here. Look, this is when I started to stake it. Look at this right here. The next day, 9%. Right there, 9.29, 9.29, 9.29, 9.3. So you can see that it's just going to start to grow slowly but surely. And the more we can have inside of this staked account, the faster it will grow, because it's like compounding. So let's say I take out this money and redo it again. I add in like 2,000 Tron. Then in a couple of days or weeks, I will be able to have 2010, 2020, 2040, 2060. And it's just going to keep on multiplying inside of this for doing absolutely nothing. So we all have money or crypto just sitting around. Let's put it inside of Express Crypto. Now, don't leave it in here forever, guys. Nobody knows whenever Express Crypto would just disappear one day. So I'm just trying this out right now, and you can see my amount bonus has just grown to 0.04% plus the 0.03. So that's already almost 6-7% or point percentage added to our 9% right here every single day. So this is a really interesting and really easy way to start making some free cryptocurrency for doing absolutely nothing and getting started for free. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.